McLaren F1, the new one. Thing's sexy as fuck. Is this electric? Please do not touch. This thing is... Hold on.
Not real.
That's real. Dude, this thing. Dude, if I had a Merc, this is exactly what I would do. Holy shit.
Oh my god, bro.
Dude, look at that friggin' turbo.
I can't do it anymore. It doesn't happen. I think it's because
Has a blue top on there and everything. Ugh. Society GTR. Oh my god, another GTR. Hell. Oh my god. Hey guys. Guys. This is vinyl. This is sick as fuck. This is Supra. Okay. Dude, GTR. Holy crap. This S2 case. Oh my god, that is a big turbo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hell. Oh my god. This thing is sick as hell. VIP'd out. That's such a sick fucking. Hella straight. Dude, guys. Oh, come on, get the license plate. It says VIP'd out. Oh my god. Hell yeah, dude. This is sick as fuck. Oh my god, VIP. Hell yes. Airbags. Fuck yes, dude. This thing's vinyl too. Damn, look at that camber. Holy crap. I don't know if this shit can drive, but looks sick as fuck. Look at that. Look how flush that thing is. Whew. Look at that. Damn. Thing's flush as hell. VIP for the win, guys. Holy crap. This video is about to be stupid long. I hope you guys like it. I'm at the Moscone Center in SF. And this is the aftermarket alley thing in the Moscone Center. This is probably my favorite VIP right here. You can see the fender roll back there. Oh, this thing is so fucking sexy. Holy crap. NSX. Not VIP'd up, but it's sick. Holy crap. Supercharged G. Holy crap. Okay, sorry guys, my battery is dying. NSX. Yep, it's supercharged. Trim screw. Vet. And then we got a Genesis right here. Wow, BMW. Yes! Yes! I know, look at the fender flare. I need that sticker. I'm serious. Holy crap, dude. Holy crap, this thing is sick. Look at this Mazda. Dude, this Mazda's sexy. Dude, look at this. Hey, Reg, it seems like you fucked my fender. He probably hit a turn and it was fucking rubbed a little bit.
That would be the worst spring rate fucking cut.
It's like 5. Spring rate equals. Ooh, guys, look at this fender flare right here.
Not the baseball bat.
Hey, Dad. Whoa. Hey, Dad. I'm at the Moscone Center looking at these cars. Yeah, it's really good. They have an aftermarket alley thing. It's pretty cool. The entry fee was $9. Yeah, I thought it was going to be more.
Yeah, and she's right next to a fucking M3.
Yeah. Yeah, probably. I'll let you know. It was $9 for the entry fee, and I haven't spent any money or anything. I don't know. A long time, probably. I'll probably leave before they leave. Okay. Okay, bye. No. Is this your car?
No, mine's the one.
Oh, dude, this thing is sick.
He's a buddy of mine.
Really?
Yeah.
This thing is sexy as hell. No.
Yeah, the wheels did a good. He did a good job on the wheels.
What wheels are these?
VIP modular. I forget the exact model, but the VIP modular.
These are really cool.
So I was telling him, it's like I'm gonna get gold rims. What did he do? He bought gold rims.
It's okay.
No, it's fine. This is what I wanted. I wanted gold.
I wish all the. Okay, guys. This is cool. Yeah, dude, we're gonna be here for a while. There's Jeremy, Brandon, and Alex, hella gay boys over here.
We're gonna die of asphyxiation. We're waiting to leave.
Yeah, we're good.
Wow.
Wow. Jeremy and Brandon over here.
Hey, he gets better gas mileage in your car. He gets 14.
Well, somebody.
Take a picture.
Hold on. Hey, Brandon, wait, Brandon, stay back so I can get. This is Brandon's car right here. Yeah. Brandon loves this car.
They're taking a picture.
Supercharged ZR1.
Alex,
Dude, that lip is sexy. Alright guys, Subaru section. Oh, it's the new STI. Impreza STI. Oh, it's the wagon. It's the wagon. Dude, can you sit in it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, whoa. Hold on. What happened to the shift knob?
They take it so you don't steal it.
Yes, somebody already stole it.
No, they do that so you don't steal it.
Here, get the climate control and stuff right there.
This isn't climate control. This is choosing your sport modes.
Yeah.
You can go sport.
Active diffs.
It's different. No, yeah, it's for different file or different style like ground.
Dude, I've always wanted
It's
one of
it's tarmac, gravel, and gravel and
those.
snow.
Yeah. Get that on video. Sorry, Brandon. This is really fucking sick. It's like these are like kind of like bucket seats back here too.
Yeah. That's what my car does. It pops into gear.
That's fucking sick. Dude, this
doors
is
actually
sick
feel like
as
quality.
fuck. Look at those bucket seats up there. Holy crap. This is sick. Oh wow, that's gay. Sorry, Jeremy. This car feels hella nice.
This car feels
Some of the buttons on the stereo feel kind of cheapy. But this also this isn't a nice model anyways because it doesn't have navigation.
Yeah, I know, but these do.
This is still sick.
Like these
as fuck.
buttons over here, these feel nice.
Hold on. Oh, guys, they might have the RX-9.
What?
The RX-9. Yeah, I want to see it. I want to see the RX-9 if they have it. I think it might be up here. What? Oh, that's sick. Dude, Mazda 2s are sick.
No, they're not, Reg.
Yeah, they are. They're pretty sick.
The passive.
We're in the Mazda section, my home turf.
Wow, this sucks.
Yeah, what the hell?
Ferrari.
That's Ferrari. You guys want to go to the Honda section? It's right there. Just the Mazda Speed. I think this is the regular one. I can't even tell. Hold on. This is the That's the regular one. Where's the Mazda Speed?
I think there's two 2011.
Are these free? Are these free?
Yeah, but in order to use them, you have to get them activated.
Oh, okay.
So it takes a real quick second. And just enter your email address and stuff if you like, and then that'll enable you to go in the simulator.
Oh no, I just want the lanyard.
I mean, hey, if you just want the lanyard.
Actually, yeah. What?
There you go.
Sweet, thank you.
Oh.
Sick.
Yeah, in order for that, you have to activate it. He just wants the lanyard. So, I mean...
It's kind of like a lanyard thing.
It takes a second, all you have...